Hey guys, welcome to the course Excel and Data Visualization. Together, we will learn how to create some impactful interactive dashboards and also the most useful Excel formulas and functions. Within this course, I won't just show you the tedious Excel formulas that you might forget soon, but I will illustrate those formulas by 3 case studies with gradually increased level of difficulty, so that you can really understand and then master all different Excel functions. For the first case, we will use the audience and sales data of an e-commerce website from Google Analytics, a very popular digital analytics software. For the second case, we will use some data of given names in France, issued from the French Official Institute. The last case is about the pricings of cryptocurrencies that we can find from Yahoo Finance. I will also share with you my methodology to create an interactive dashboard that you can after apply to your daily work. You will learn from zero to hero how to process and clean the database. This is really a key step to make all the following steps much easier, and most of people don't really pay attention to this step. Also, we will learn how to use the magic formulas and how to build those interactive dashboards, which can help you or your manager make better decisions. Here you go, some dashboards that we will create in this course. You can find in the section Resources or the raw database with which we will practice our Excel skills in the following units. And I also uploaded the final Excel file in case you want them as template.